Something strange is happening on Mount Fuji, or rather is not happening. As of October 29, 2023, Mount Fuji has set a troubling record. No snow, the latest since records began in 1894. Typically, snow starts forming around October 2nd, but this year it's different. Experts point to unusually warm weather lingering from summer, delaying the arrival of the cold air needed for snowfall. Japan just experienced its hottest summer on record, mirroring extreme temperatures seen around the globe. While Mount Fuji is usually snow-covered most of the year, this lack of snow raises serious concerns. Will Mount Fuji see some snow? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on important environmental topics.